Hello, Head Start families. It's Laura Ballard, ABC Unified School District Head Start Director. Last night, our ABC Board of Education voted to reopen our schools. So, what does that mean for our Head Start classrooms? What are the choices? There are going to be two choices. One is hybrid learning, and the second is to continue in distance and virtual learning. So with the first choice of hybrid learning, please keep in mind that this is different than the simultaneous hybrid learning that will be taking place for the K through 12 children. Hybrid learning for Head Start children means that they're going to stay in small groups. There will be 2 days of in-person learning and 3 days of at-home learning. The 2 days of in-person learning is for 3 hours, and the 3 days of the at-home learning will be completing activities from the Creative Curriculum School Readiness Monthly Family Calendar that you're already familiar with. We will continue with our monthly grab and go materials to go with these activities, as well as weekly family check-ins. What is hybrid learning? So you'll see here the two small groups are called Cohort A and Cohort B. On Monday and Tuesday, Cohort A would come for in-person learning, and Cohort B would work on activities from the family calendar at home. On Wednesday, to allow the deep cleaning in between the two groups, both Cohort A and Cohort B would be working on activities from the family calendar at home. Thursday and Friday, that would switch. Cohort A would work on the activities from the family calendar at home, and Cohort B would have the in-person learning. How do I enroll my child in hybrid learning? On March 18th, you will receive an email with a hybrid enrollment form. It is very important that you complete this form. You will not be able to choose your cohort because we need to keep siblings across the district in the same cohort. You will then receive an email telling you the cohort that you're in, and it is very important that you accept that by March 26 at 6 p.m. Otherwise, you will remain in DVL. Choice number 2, what does it mean to remain in DVL? DVL means that children will continue to meet with their teacher once a week for a Google Meet. They will continue the Creative Curriculum School Readiness Monthly Family Calendar. They will continue receiving materials at our monthly grab and go, as well as continue with the weekly family check-ins. How do I keep my child in DVL? In order to keep your child in DVL, you do not need to complete the hybrid enrollment form. With both choice 1 and both choice 2, will my child have the same teacher? We will do our best to keep children with the same teacher, but this just may not be possible. Back to choice 1, hybrid learning. Please note that if you do not receive the email with the hybrid enrollment form on March 18th, it's very important for you to call our office, 562-229-7985. I know I've given you a lot of information, but I want to highlight the important dates. First important date is on March 18th. The hybrid enrollment form will be emailed to you. Then on March 26th by 6 p.m., you accept the cohort for your child to be in, or you will remain in DVL. Then on the week of April 12th, we will be doing a soft rollout of hybrid, where on April 12th, the children will meet virtually with their teacher to get a walkthrough of the classroom. And then on April 13th, they will begin their in-person learning. For Cohort B, the same is true for Thursday and Friday. That Thursday, April 15th, they will meet virtually with their teacher to see their classroom, understand what it looks like to walk into the classroom. And then on April 16th, the in-person learning begins. If you have more questions, you received an email from me last night about different meetings to attend to get more information. The first one being tonight at tonight at 6 o'clock, and the next one being tomorrow morning, as well as 2 in Spanish. So I look forward to hearing from you, answering any of your questions. Please also note we've included some additional resources of information from the district in this presentation, as well as some public health resources. And in addition, our mental health providers have also included their contact information, as well as some information about helping us manage the stress during this time. I look forward to meeting with all of you in person finally. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Take care.